Namaste friends, my name is Devika and welcome to my channel Happy Home. So, in last few videos we have seen the cleaning part, the home decor part and lot of related to home. In last few videos I have discussed about housekeeping department, but the students are asking me to make the videos regarding hotel management course. So I thought to make a video regarding this topic. So this video is really helpful for those who really want to go for hotel management and want to know about the admission, exam and other processes related to hotel management. Before starting video, I would like to ask you that I am making the hotel management related video in English. But if you guys really want it in Hindi, please let me know in the comment section, so that henceforth I will make these kind of videos in Hindi language. Another thing, if you are really liking my videos, my channel, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Guys, you people are watching the videos, you people are giving comments and liking the videos, but you are not subscribing, which is not really great thing for me. Please do the subscription so that I will get a more energy to make a new great videos. So friends, today I am going to take 3 questions related to hotel management course. So let's start with the video. So friends, the first and very basic question is, what are the requirements or eligibility to do hotel management? Now, the basic requirement is you should pass your 10+2 standard, that is your HSC exams, and there is no compulsion of any stream required. It means you can clear your HSC from any stream. Now, there are few colleges, private colleges, who gives admissions on the basis of 10th standard marks also. But majorly you have to give entrance exam and pass the exam to get the actual admission. This entrance exams in India are conducted on national and state levels by some universities and colleges. Now, let's understand that what is the admission process. As I have discussed, we have to give the entrance exam and need to pass in that exam. Means after clearing that exam, you get the ranks as per your marks. This I am talking about national level exam. So here, once you get your rank, you will get a call for counseling. For that, you have to go to IHMihm Delhi. Here, within the counseling process, you have to choose your college throughout from India, and that too depends on the availability when you get the chance as per your rank. It means good rank gets good college and poor marks gets ordinary types of colleges, but all will be of national level only. And if you don't get admissions in this national level colleges due to any of the reason, then you can go for any private college. They gives admission on the basis of your 12th marks, or some of them also conduct entrance exams for their colleges. The only thing is fees will be little on higher side than the national government colleges, and in future, career wise, not exactly, but on some extent, private college student will not get preference as compared to government one. But yes, that is also dependent on candidate knowledge and presentation in interview. Now, let's move to next question. What are the different courses available in this industry? Nowadays,
hotel management has become a wide and huge industry. In India, they provide many courses. In it, like degrees, diplomas, crash courses, certificate courses, and masters also. These categories provides courses like BHM, that is BSc in Hotel Management. This is a 3 years national and state level course. Then there are a diploma of 1.5 to 3 years, that is dependent on college to college. There are some crash or certificate courses which gives a specialization in one subject, and it is for around 6 months to 1 year. The another one is BSc in Hotel Management and Catering Technology, or Bachelor of Business Administration in Hotel Management, which covers syllabus of more towards management, finance and operations. They makes highly skilled students. And one more is Bachelor of Catering Technology and Culinary Arts, which focus more on skills of chefs. Now, let's speak about higher education, means post-graduation in this industry. Nowadays, this industry also provides a wide range of higher education courses like Masters in Hotel Management and Hospitality, MSc in Hotel Management or Hospitality, MBA in Hotel Management or Hospitality, MSc in Tourism, or post-graduation or Masters in Tourism. So, these are the different courses what higher level education is providing nowadays in hotel industry. These courses gives you more perfection and increase your skills in this industry. This will help you to get a more good options in your career, mostly in abroad and for the higher position in India. The admission of these higher courses is totally dependent on the marks what you get in the bachelor degree.
So friends, I hope I have cleared your confusion regarding hotel management admissions and exams and the courses. So if you find this information really great, really helpful, please like my videos, share my videos, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and yes, give your comments so that it will be helpful to make a new videos for me. And yes, as I have told you, please let me know if you want this kind of videos in Hindi so that henceforth I can make these videos in Hindi. So friends, once again, please subscribe my channel to see the more knowledgeable videos regarding hotel management, regarding housekeeping, regarding home decor and cleaning. Very soon I'll be sharing few amazing videos with the festival decor. So stay tuned on my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you.